Here's one little thing. We gotta do it again.
Yeah. A walk. Yeah. Oh man.
Dear Lord, baby Jesus, let me cross this creek.
I made it. He made it once. Oh, that looks dicey. Slippery, isn't it?
Yeah. Heck with that.
Oh, yeah. Get it out of the chamber.
Yeah.
That's a good idea. Safety right here. Safety first. That thing could go off and game over.
Well, I did have the safety on, but better safe
Oh,
than sorry.
oh, just a bump can make her go off.
Don't trust anything mechanical.
Yeah, exactly.
Mechanical failure. Let's hope I don't have human error right
Let's
here.
not have human error.
Nervous. Feel like a little worm on a big hook. Oh, that sunk down there.
There's a couple spots there. If you go in, it's over. We have a rope, pull you out.
I've crossed this thing so many times over the years and seen fish along the side of this thing.
This is almost making me have to get my toilet paper out. There she is. Woohoo! Made her, man. Safe.